The vet will fix you up in a jiffy. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Wow, this little pup's full of big sneezes, isn't she?
Oh, Dr. Trudy, Rebound was fine last night, but this morning she started sneezing all over my breakfast pizza.
Achoo! Well, that's an unusual way to start the day.
I'll have you know I've been eating breakfast pizza since my disco days.
Achoo! No, I mean for your dog to break out in the sneezes.
I hope it's not serious.
Oh, I doubt it is. Come along, Rebound. Let's have a look at you and see what's up.
We shouldn't be long.
Ooh, fishies.